With the As-Built for Revit architecture tools, it's possible to fit walls, windows, doors, and openings to the point cloud should you have a building on site. Here you can see exactly that, a system of walls and a door that matches the point cloud. But let's look at how we can achieve that. You want to set up your levels so that you have a good view of your walls, and then you can go right on into using the Fit Wall tool. And here we'll switch to our building floor view. You can set your top constraint for your walls and then start with your wall fitting. You'll pick 2 points close to the ends of the wall, sandwiched between parallel lines. What's happening right now is it's generating the view there for your wall, and it's telling you the thickness. It's going to compare it to those available. You can insert a previously selected type, or you can insert the selected type with adjustment to make a custom family. So we'll just select that inserted type and proceed with fitting. Just keep going, picking 2 points as you go around. And then you can either insert a new type or the last used type there. And eventually, once we have all 4 sides, we will use our Align Wall tool in order to connect these members to one another, and then insert our door. So let's just do this last side here. And we'll insert that type, and now we'll just cancel out of this last fit here and go into aligning. So after fitting, you want to select all of your walls to do the alignment, and then we want to update our results automatically. Make sure that everything is in the same reference direction, facing north. Then increase your wall joints so that they connect. So originally they'll be disconnected, and then just increase this value here till all wall joints connect. Click OK, and you have yourself a system there. Now going into a section view, you can insert your elements like windows or doors or openings. This is going to be based on those families that are loaded into your template. If you're not sure what size to insert, you can just select any size, select create new family type, and then pick by 2 or 4 points. And here we'll just pick 2 points. You want to pick the door opening size. And once you do that, you'll have yourself a custom door modified from the original family type. After that, just using Revit tools in order to attach to floors or roofs. You can create the roof at a custom slope, identify that from the point cloud, and then of course here just attach your walls top to base and select your roof, and now you have the full building there with the door opening in the correct direction, which of course you can modify if you needed to with Revit tools.